Hey, welcome to the office. I was looking around for a rally car to run out on the track out there that I've been working on, and I was kind of looking around the various Tamiya ones because that's where I wanted to start. There are other brands out there that have good rally cars, but I really wanted to start with either the XV01 chassis, or I know this TT02 can be made into one because you can flip the arms and stuff on these cars, and I've actually built one of these before. So for a race team, so it wasn't like rally setup, but I know that this could be done. Plus I've seen that in other videos as well. So I was kind of looking through their options. You've got the highest one on my list was probably the Delta Integrale. The Subaru was up there. I think there was a Toyota one as well, kind of a new Toyota. I forgot the name of the car, but it's very recent in production. For Toyota, it looked like a brand new one. And I was scrolling through and I saw this thing and I was like, oh, Gen 1 Quattro, that's the one. So yeah, having built one of these before, I know that I built a lot of friction shocks, quote unquote. These are the worst of all of them that I have ever seen. So, and I had to do that for the race car, but we're not racing it. We're going to be out there. So as I bought this, I also ordered a couple of options. So first thing I got, because we're not even going to assemble those, we are going to assemble the oil-filled shocks for it, automatic. That's number one. Number two, we needed rally tires. This comes with street tires. So I got a set of their rally block tires, and they're soft, which I only remember just rally block tires. I didn't know they had two compounds. So soft is actually pretty good. It even comes with the foam ring that we can put in the wheel. So I picked those up. They are fairly soft. Yeah, so that ought to hook up pretty well. And then the next two options I picked up the chassis cover and the rally block. The chassis cover set. So it looks like this is going to go around the front end, these two panels, and then this piece will cover the chassis in there. So along with this, because to get dirt and stuff out there, we want to try and keep that out of the center of the car. Also picked up a heat sink for the motor, so that will help keep that motor cool while we're making laps out there with this car. So I think we'll just zoom in on this thing, and I'm going to tear this open and look at the parts that we've got in it. I mean, you guys have all seen this before, but I've never filmed one, so I think we'll rip this open and have a look at it. Thanks for joining me here. Let's unbox this sucker because I'm really excited to get building it. So we'll open it up, take a look at it, and start building this thing because I really wanted to get it out there and run it around. Kind of excited about this. Okay. Box off. Oh yeah. Right on top. 1060. Nice. Okay, got a parts bag here with all the pieces in it. A, B, C. It's got all the screws, shock springs. Should be a torque tune motor. And servo parts. Greases. Gear sets. Pins. Garbage. Bushings, we're going to throw bearings in, obviously. Grease, motor plate, that's bag A. Torque tune, we're going to run that, see what it does. I think that'll work out fine. Hopefully we don't burn it up in that cover though. That's why I bought the heatsink. So, of course, the variable tool right there, the Tamiya wrench, zip ties, etc. All right, that's the key right there. That's nice. I'm liking that. All right, we'll put that aside. There's the tires. Yep, smells like tires. These are street treads. That's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna put them on it. You can see the difference in height there, just right there. But the wheels, they look nice. I like the design of those. Okay. There's the chrome light buckets and parts for the car. We'll be bolting that in. Might have to put a light kit in it. That'd be kind of neat. Shock towers, gear covers, steering knuckles, steering components here, rear uprights, lens kit, chassis, looks like the upper arm, the arms and the bumpers, bumper brace. There's the bumper pad. That'll fit pretty nicely, I think, in there. Does this have the shock part? Yeah, there's the shock parts too. Yeah, we're not going to use those. Not at all. Alright, drivetrain. This is the drive shaft. Axles. Diff outputs. Dog bones, plastic. That'll be fine. I might order the front universal kit for it. If I want it to turn sharper, we'll see how it handles out there. There's a motor plate, motor cover. That was the weird, like, directional thing. We're not going to throw that on there. So, we will use the other one. So, all right, here's the instruction manual. I have built one of these before, but it's been a while. I have a servo too, so I'm not too stressed about that. Have plenty of those out there. Looks pretty easy to do. I'm really excited to get it going. I want to get this done and get it out there because I really want to run this car. There's the instructions for painting, which is nice. I don't know if I'm going to mount... I don't think I'm going to mount these on it just yet. I'll probably leave those off for a minute and run it just the stock setup initially, and then decide whether I want to do that or not. Got an antenna tube, additional manuals, and this is the sticker kit. That's my least favorite thing about doing the bodies, the paint and the stickers. That's gonna be lots of fun. We'll do the best we can. So, but I'm excited to get this thing out there. Anyway, that is the TT02. Let's put this all back in. Run it out to the garage and do a build video. I'm probably just gonna do like parts of it. I mean, I'll do like pictures as I build it quick, and then I'll stop at certain parts. And, you know, if I have any issues, I'll let you know what's going on. Oh, there's more of the body parts. There's the wing. Nice. I'll let you know if I got any problems, what I had to do to resolve it. I don't think this kit will have much issues, so I think it'll be a pretty smooth build. It seemed like it was before. So I will let you know as we get it built. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.